Over time, your financial circumstances and objectives can change. You need to ensure that your financial plan remains on track and adapted to better suit your current and future needs. It is essential to assess your insurance policy to ensure that it aligns with your financial goals and provides adequate protection. In this video, let us review LIC's Bima Jyoti plan. We will evaluate the performance of the policy's investment component and find out whether this LIC Bima Jyoti is a good option for your future. Welcome to holisticinvestment.in. LIC Bima Jyoti is a non-linked, non-participating individual life assurance savings plan. First, let us look at the features of LIC Bima Jyoti. Regular premium payment, guaranteed benefits, 5 optional riders and tax benefit. Now let us look at the benefits in detail under LIC Bima Jyoti. Death benefit, sum assured on death, along with that accrued guaranteed addition is paid, where sum assured on death is higher of 125% of basic sum assured or 7 times the annualized premium. The death benefit shall not be less than 105% of total premiums paid up to the date of death. Next, maturity benefit. Sum assured on maturity along with guaranteed addition shall be payable. Sum assured on maturity is equal to basic sum assured. Next, guaranteed additions. Rupees 50 per thousand basic sum assured will be added to the policy at the end of each policy year. Next, we shall discuss the advantages and disadvantages of LIC Bima Jyoti. Advantages: option to receive maturity benefit in installments over the chosen period of 5, 10 or 15 years under the settlement option. Loan can be availed under the plan. The maximum loan amount is 90% of the surrender value. Option to receive the death benefit in installment over the chosen period of 5, 10 or 15 years instead of a lump sum amount. Next, disadvantages. The lock-in period is 2 years. The sum assured is too low. Though the returns are guaranteed, the returns are not satisfactory. So far we discussed the features and benefits. Now let us dwell deep into the interest calculation. LIC Bima Jyoti is an endowment plan and it is neither linked to market returns nor it participate in the profit. First, we shall calculate the internal rate of return for LIC Bima Jyoti policy and then compare it with other investment avenues. A 35-year-old male buys LIC Bima Jyoti for a sum assured of rupees 10 lakhs. The LIC Bima Jyoti policy term is 20 years and the premium paying term is 15 years. The annualized premium is 78,770. He is entitled to a maturity benefit at the end of 20 years. In this illustration, he receives rupees 20 lakhs as maturity benefit. The internal rate of return, that is the interest rate, works out to be 4.02%. Your funds get locked for a longer period, but the returns are not up to the mark. This is a long-term investment and the yield is similar to a debt instrument return. This affects your wealth accumulation process. The benefits received from LIC Bima Jyoti are guaranteed. This feature seems lucrative, yet the returns are displeasing. This makes us look around for other opportunities. While looking for other options, both insurance and investment components should be met. Pure term life insurance and investment in either PPF account or ELSS fund will meet both criteria. A pure term policy for a sum assured of rupees 12,50,000 would cost 10,800 per annum. The balance amount of 67,970 is available for investment. Here the policy term is 20 years and the premium paying term is 10 years. But in the earlier illustration, the premium paying term is 15 years. This leaves you with the full amount for investment in the next 5 years. PPF account matures after 15 years, but it could be extended for another 5 years to match the policy term of 20 years. When you exit from ELSS fund, capital gains tax applies. Tax calculations are given here. The final maturity value under the PPF account is 26.91 lakhs. Pure term insurance policy with PPF investment yields you 6.26%. And the final maturity value under ELSS fund is 51.36 lakhs. This is a pre-tax value. After the capital gains tax payment leaves you with 47.40 lakhs. Pure term insurance policy with ELSS investment yields you 10.50%. This is a post-tax return. The above calculation deposit that investment for life goals separately yields better returns than traditional endowment plans. Also, the returns are good enough to combat inflation in the long run. Here is our final verdict on LIC Bima Jyoti. It is a financial product designed to provide both insurance coverage and savings or investment benefits. While analyzing the plan, we couldn't find any special feature that stood out from other plans. This is a simple endowment plan that provides you with guaranteed returns. The returns are not up to the mark for a long-term investment. The sum assured is also inadequate. The insurance and investment component of LIC Bima Jyoti is unworthy. This makes LIC Bima Jyoti ineligible to be in your portfolio. But why are insurance agents keen to push you into this plan? Because of the high agent commission that they get. Alternatively, always go for pure term insurance policies. Unfortunately, no agents push pure term products. Avoid traditional life insurance plans which are backed by high agent commissions. It is advisable to consult with a financial advisor who can provide personalized guidance based on your specific financial goals and needs. They can help you assess various investment avenues that align with your financial objectives. A detailed blog post on this topic is available in our website and the link is given in the description. Hope you like this video. If you have any questions related to this or any other investment option or related to your financial goal, don't hesitate to book a free appointment with our financial planners. The link to the free booking is given in the description box below. Also, will you be interested to attend any insightful investment webinar? Then feel free to register for the upcoming enlightening investment webinar. It is completely free. The registration link for the upcoming webinar is also given in the description box. If you like this video, please give us thumbs up. Also, share it with your social circle. If you haven't subscribed our YouTube channel so far, please subscribe now.